Hello everyone. In this video, I will guide you how to create a Gmail account without using your phone number. Let's get started. First things first, let's open Gmail and look at the top right corner where your profile icon is. Click on that and you'll see an option to add account. Go ahead and click that. Now, click on create account and you'll see different options. I'm choosing for my personal use, but you can pick whatever works for you. Next up, enter your first and last name in the fields provided and hit that next button. Here's where you'll need to enter some basic info. Select your birth date. Choose your month and year. Pick your gender from the options. Then just click next to continue. Now comes the fun part, choosing your username. Type in whatever username you'd like, make sure it's unique, and click next. Time to secure your account. Create a strong password and click next again. Here's the important part, guys. Just scroll down and click agree. And there you have it. You've successfully created a Gmail account without using a phone number. Pretty simple, right? If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.